A week ago, I was in Auckland presenting my PhD research. I was hosted by the Ngāwaia Te Tui, which is the Māori and Indigenous Research Centre, over at Unitec Mount Albert campus. This is the first of many presentations that I'm planning. It's all part of my research journey as a Samoan researcher, reporting back to community and just letting everyone know what my key findings were. So here's me just setting up before everyone arrives. I'm all set to present. People are going to start coming into the room, but while they're coming in, I'm just going to play this performance up on the screen for everyone to enjoy. This is PIC Newton, 1989 at E Whakasa Papakura's whanwhalinga.
Tai ngane le pa ia tele o le motu o sa. Hili la. Patia. Patia. Robat. Hey. Oh. Hey. Oh. Wow, it's so beautiful to see all your amazing people today. Awesome to have you all here. So
but this will just bring you to here. We'll bring one of us over here. Have to. Bless you.
Thank you to everyone that attended my presentation on the 14th of April. Hopefully my next update will be when the next community presentation is. Mā lore tapu ai whawhitai salo.